We are here with running the levels, looking for market structure, patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up EUR, HUF. Take a look at what's going on in the market. We're going to choose a time frame. Let's work with the weekly. Let's talk about price. Let's just talk about the section that's going over here near price. There's a nice pattern that we can discuss what's going on. We're going to read the market as a going through the structure, and I'm going to break it down, guys. So we can clearly see there's multiple patterns in this area. So we have some type of W here. We also have a W here, and have a triple bottom with a double top. A few market patterns are going on here. When you see that first leg, we do that second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest 1, retest 2. Average 2 pushes to the top, market pushed back down to that low. Okay, so once that market got back to that low, let's take a look at what form. So we got that triple bottom, so that market overall 1, 2, 3, overall quadruple bottom. The areas where you can see where that market pushed up at is this area here, which was the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed back up. Okay, so that triple bottom, overall quadruple bottom, has pushed that market up to a high. Then once that market went back up to that high, you read inside there, we got some type of 1, 2, 3, 4 pushes to the top. So that's a triple top and a retest in a lower time frame, or maybe a double top and a retest on a lower time frame. And then that market pushed down once, twice, and we can see it's working its way back up. But that average of that support that we see, which created that W again. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market shut up overall. Okay. So overall, with this whole full structure that we see in this area, what we see is that you do see that W. Okay, that's one. Okay. Once that market came to that W, it wasn't able to break this support. The market, it wasn't able to break above the support. It touched it, but it wasn't able to break. Wasn't able to break above this resistance. So that market went into from a W, start off with a W, went into an M. So if you connect all this together, this will be one leg, first leg, coming back down, connect all that together. That's the second leg. Then we can see that push back up for that third. Overall, if you think about it, overall, and the market come back down for that fourth. So for that top, we have a double top. 1, 2. Even though it's pushed up here for that midpoint, but if you cancel this out, you see the overall structure and being a double top, 2 spikes up high, market couldn't break, market came back down. So this will be like an area of consolidation all in between here. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. The fourth leg turned into a M. That first leg of the M, second leg, third leg, market pushed down for the fourth leg, pushed that market back down to that major area of support as we currently see. Also on top of that, that fourth leg of that M also was a single, was a first leg for a W. So that fourth leg was an M turned into a W, first leg for a W, which would be the first leg, second leg, as we clearly see, third leg, market pushed up for that fourth leg. This is why we got that W here, we have an M here, and we got that market that pushed back down to that W, and then that market sitting currently at a retest of the push-up. The market came back down to retest previous areas in that midpoint up, and the market sitting at a retest right now, a slight retest. In this area here, we got to see that market's going to drop back down or just end up going back up. Okay, but we are sitting on a doji. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. EUR, HUF. Very important information, guys. Please review Forex Pattern cheat sheet. Click on the images, and also please review break on retest strategy